This year, Ryan Magus, I hear they swung an inch.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the REVan channel from Indianapolis, Indiana. We're here at the 68th annual NHRA US Nationals. Yesterday was amazing. It was the first day of qualifying. Today, though, is my favorite day of all NHRA racing. It's Class Eliminations Day at Indy. That means that the stock and super stock racers are going to be going for the Wally in their individual classes. It's heads-up racing. Stock and super stock is where I cut my teeth in racing. It's the purest, it's the most fun class for me because you're getting the most out of the stock combinations. The track prep is going on behind me, and racers will be coming through that bridge behind me, what used to be the Hearst Bridge, the walking bridge. And when you drive under that bridge and come out of the lanes and come out to the drag strip here, your heart's pounding. Everything is on the line. You can race all your life, but a trophy from Indy at the US Nationals is something that's just special. All right, gang, for me, this is one of the most intense moments in drag racing. I'd much rather be in one of those cars. I've been here about 15 times as a racer. Today, though, we're back on photo duty, covering the NHRA US Nationals. It's Wednesday morning. Stock to the lanes at 8 o'clock. Engines running, warmed up.
So once the tractor's completed,
170 cars trying to qualify.
We'll have Mike McGinley and Daryl Steiger to kick
There's
off.
only 128 spots on the sheet. So it's cool out, and this is the moment where racers put it to the test. They're going to say, can I hook on that starting line? Can I make my car go down the track? Can I be one of the quickest 128 to get in the field? Just making the field at Indy is a big deal. It's going to be a great day, and they're about to fire them up.
Swap the tires, do all the different stuff, ice everything you can down to try to eke as much power out of the race car as possible.
Stock Eliminator, Indy, check it out.
Michigan, the legend, 1967 Camaro. The Z28 car, 4-speed, 302 combination. We are legally bound to tell you every time he comes up, he has owned this car since brand new. It is the first Camaro to ever win an NHRA national event. It is the same guy driving the same car that won in 1967. For Don King, 428 cubic inches of legendary Ford FE power. That car is a whole lot heavier than Wenzel's car, but it has a whole lot more displacement. In bed, creeps in, turns on the bottom bulb. Both of them wind them up.
Don Keene is 19 green, and this one's going down to the wire on reaction time, but it is going to be Don Keene. Keene powers away at the top end, a 10:27.3 at 129. Wenzel threw the sink at him with that perfect reaction time, but did not have enough in the tank.
For 162, your factory.
All right, my friend Randy Lynn, what's up?
It's class day.
My favorite day at Indy.
Everybody's favorite day, isn't it?
Yep. Going for that Wally. Tell us about your car real quick.
I have a Pontiac 400 Firebird, 1967. I've been running it for like 10 years now, and we're hoping that we're fast enough to win class for the second time.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
Goes 13:28.5. McCarthy and even perhaps